Good morning children. How are you? I hope you are doing well children. So in the last video we have completed the portion children. Now we will see the revision children. Essay to revision. Soon you are going to have essay 2 exams children. Please look into your chapter 4. From chapter 4 to chapter 12 you will have revision children. Okay? Chapter 4 to 12. First one, page number 71. What do you think was Minnie's father profession? Give reasons to support your answer. What Minnie's father? We will see children in your page number. Did you open children? Page number 71 children. Page number 71. Please open children. Yes, we will see. Kabuliwala lesson. Minnie's father was a writer and he writing a novel. He was writing a novel. It is mentioned in the story that when Minnie's father was working on his 70th chapter, Minnie entered into the room and started talking. With this we can say that he is a writer. B1. Describe the relationship Minnie shared with Kabuliwala. Second, B1. Minnie and Kabuliwala shared a very loving relationship even with a huge gap difference. They were very good friends. They used to have long talks and they often shared jokes due to which Minnie used to laugh out loud. Okay, though the age difference was there, they were talking always. Why did the Kabuliwala not take money from Minnie's father after giving her treats? Why he didn't take? We will see. Kabuliwala loved Minnie dearly. He even had a daughter back in Afghanistan who was of same age as Minnie's. So, out of sheer love for his daughter, Kabuliwala used to give some treats to Minnie. When Minnie's father tried to give him money, Kabuliwala refused because those treats were Kabuliwala's gifts to Minnie. Same age girl he is having now, so he is remembering his daughter. Due to that, he was giving treats to Minnie. Then D1. Why did the police arrested Kabuliwala? A neighbor was indebted to Rahmat for the Rampuri shawl. The neighbor denied his debt and an argument broke out in between Rahmat and the neighbor. In the heat of the argument, Rahmat took out the knife and stabbed the neighbor. Both were having argument. Neighbor used to give Rampuri shawls amount. He didn't give. Then what happened? Both got an argument in that. He got angry and he took the knife and he stabbed him. That's why police came and arrested. Why did the narrator try to send the Kabuliwala away when he appeared on the day of Minnie's wedding? Even children. The narrator tried to send Kabuliwala away on Minnie's wedding because he was a bit suspicious that at such an auspicious day, nothing bad should happen. Kabuliwala had just got released from the prison. The narrator did not want that any problem should come upon Minnie's wedding, because he came from jail. If anybody will see that, they will talk, and if any problem occurs in the marriage, that he don't want. That's why he asked Kabuliwala to go away. F1. Minnie's mother was suspicious of Kabuliwala. Give reasons to support your answer. F1. Minnie's mother was very suspicious of Kabuliwala. She used to talk that Kabuliwala might abduct Minnie and take her away with him and sell Minnie off to some slave practice that was prevalent in Afghanistan at that time. She thought that in Afghanistan they used to sell the children. So he will take Minnie and he will sell over there. That was her. She was thinking that. That's why she is suspecting Kabuliwala. Minnie's father had to cut a few expenses in her wedding. Why did he do so? Why he did? Minnie's father was touched when he heard that Kabuliwala too had a daughter of Minnie's age, whom he had not seen in a while. Minnie's father knew that Kabuliwala just released from the prison and he might not be having money to go back to his homeland. Hence, Minnie's father cut down few expenses and gave the money to Kabuliwala. Even Kabuliwala's daughter is same age of Minnie. So, when he want to go back also, he is not having money because he just came from the prison. He is not having. That's why Minnie's father, he cut the expenses. That amount he gave to Kabuliwala to go back and see the daughter. Okay, children. Next you see, children, what are their concept connection is there, na children? Practice on 2. We will see. Page number 75, practice on 2. What is that? Yes. Complete the sentences with the appropriate irregular verbs. In the help box, they gave the words that you have to use and fill the blanks. He dashed the lesson in the class, but now he cannot remember it. What we have to write? Yes, understood. I dashed to buy milk in the morning. Forgot. They dashed across the river. Swam. I dashed my mother a beautiful on her birthday, gave. Even the children were so tired that they dashed in the car, slept. He dashed to Chandigarh last night, drove. Then I dashed you an email yesterday, sent. She dashed chocolates for my party. Yes, brought. And next, regular and irregular verbs we have to find. Okay, and from the story, and we have to write. Here regular verbs are talk, then what? Talk is there, children. Then waste, start, overlook, deny. Irregular is see, send, go, mean, do. Okay, children. Now coming to the practice zone 2, underline here. Underline the model in the given sentences. Modules. She can run fast. Can is a module. I hope he can help us. Can. He could have caught the last bus, but he was unable to. Could. Then, may I play in the park as the weather is excellent. May. E1. We will be visiting him soon. Will. Okay, children? Then choose the correct you do, children. Next, see, children, fill in the blanks with the appropriate models. I speak Spanish fluent, but since I have moved to Canada, I only speak few words. Could, can. I be very happy to meet your grandmother. Would. Yes, children? Would? Yes. She read a good book rather than watching stupid movie. Will. If you want to get better feeling of the city, you want to take a walk. Might. Okay. She looks pretty sick. She go and visit a doctor. What she did? Should. Okay. This is the textbook part. If you see the workbook, from the workbook, just learn 11th and 12th only, children. 11th and 12th answers you have to learn from the workbook. We will see that also, children. 1 second. What is that? 11th, page number 49. Describe Winnie's father encounter with Kabuli Wala. 11th one, we will see. Yes. Minnie stopped playing her games and called for Kabuliwala, and then she herself ran into the house. When the Kabuliwala asked Minnie's father where his daughter was, Minnie's father, to break Minnie's unfounded fear, called her from inside the house. She came and stood nervously pressing against his body and looking suspicious in the Kabuliwala and his bag. The Kabuliwala took out some raisins and apricots from inside the bag and gave it to Minnie, but she refused to take them and remained pressed against her father's knees with her redoubled suspicion. That was how their first meeting ended. Next, give some examples from the story that shows Kabuliwala and Minnie enjoyed each other's company. Okay, next one. 12th one. One day Minnie's father saw his daughter sitting on the bench next to the door and speaking non-stop with Kabuliwala, who was perched next to her feet and listening to her with a grin and interjecting now and then to broke Bengali to give his opinion. In her short 5 years life, Minnie had never found a more intent listener before others than her father. The moment she saw Rahmat, Minnie would ask with a hearty laugh, Kabuliwala, oh Kabuliwala, what is in your sack? Adding an unnecessary nasal tone to the word. Kabuliwala wrote the essence of the joke was that the man had an elephant in his sack. Not that the joke was very witty, but it caused the two friends to double up their laughter. Okay children, this was. So these two you learn children, 11 and 12. And MCQs also you have to go through children. With this fourth chapter revision we have completed children. Learn the new words also. I gave you new words now. That also you have to learn them children. Okay. And go through them, learn them children. Learn thoroughly. See the MCQs also. Prepare well for your exam children. Take care children. God bless you.